Good day to all. This is Amridalingam Madhu. Today's topic is Northeast Corner Vastu Sastram. What is meant by Northeast Corner? North and East junction, which is called Northeast Corner. Northeast Corner is the most important place in Vastu Sastram. Northeast should be planned light-weighted, and the floor level should be lower compared to the other area. Today we'll cover three topics. Point number 1, what shall come in northeast corner? Point number 2, northeast corner vastu defects. Point number 3, problems caused by northeast corner vastu defects. Point number 1, what shall come in a northeast corner? Northeast corner can be T junction or street junction, street focus. Point number 2, northeast corner we can keep underground water sump, borewell, rainwater harvesting. Point number 3, northeast can be a main door, lot of windows, lot of openings in a northeast corner. Point number 3, northeast we can keep study room. Point number 4, northeast we can keep old person's bedroom. Point number 5, northeast we can keep a living room. So those things we can keep in a northeast corner. What should not come in a northeast corner? Point number 1, northeast should not come septic tank. Point number 2, northeast should not come internal staircase as well as external staircase. Point number 3, northeast we should not keep big trees, big hills, because northeast should be lower compared to the other area. Point number 4, northeast we should not keep master bedroom, kitchen as well as puja room, because many vastu consultant says we can keep a puja room in northeast corner, which is a non-compliance of vastu rules, because northeast related to water element. We should not keep a puja room in northeast corner. This is the basic and fundamental thing. Many vastu consultant telling a mistake. Northeast we should not keep a puja room. Puja room should not keep a northeast as well as southwest. Other area we can keep a puja room. Point number 5, northeast should not be kitchen, and northeast we should not keep high ceiling, because the ground floor, first floor both will have only one ceiling. That is also non-compliance of vastu rules. Northeast should be light weighted. We should not keep any storeroom. It should be light weighted, because many people making a mistake, northeast having a portico with pillar, which is non-compliance of vastu rules. So problems caused by northeast vastu defects. What kind of problem will happen in case of northeast vastu defects? For example, if northeast is having a septic tank, what kind of issues? Septic tank create a neurological disorder for men. Northeast and southwest related to men, southeast and northwest related to women. So if it is a septic tank in the northeast, creates a neurological disorder for men. For example, if northeast having a staircase, internal or external, what kind of issues? Education may stop in between, children's education, because northeast staircase it's heavy weight. Men will feel a lot of stress in that house. Point number 3, for example, northeast is having a master bedroom. What kind of issues will occur? There may be baby delay, fighting between husband and wife, these kind of issues. For example, if it is a kitchen is there in the northeast, what kind of issues? If it is a kitchen in the northeast, you are putting money into the fire. Lot of unwanted expenses may occur. You cannot save any money. So these kind of issues may occur in case of northeast vastu defects. when you are planning to construct a new house, better to take a Vastu consultant opinion and take a drawing from them for happy and peaceful life. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Thank you.